Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to connect Printify to Etsy. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to Etsy and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side click on your profile. Now over here click on sell on Etsy. Now here once you scroll down you'll see an option for open your Etsy shop. Click on it. So now you have to do these 5 steps. So you'll have to enter your shop preferences, name your shop, stock your shop, how you'll get paid, and set up billing. Now in the third step they will ask you how to stock your shop, and now click on add listing, and now you can add as many listings as you want. Now once you click on next, here you will have to enter all of your billing details and also all of your financial details. Now here you will get a message over here that says that they're going to take a few cents from your account and they will return it in 3 to 5 business days for the verification process. Now once you're done, click on save and continue. Now you have to go to Printify and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side click on your stores and now click on manage my stores. Now on the top right hand side click on add new store. Now over here towards the right hand side of Etsy click on connect. Now here for example, if you have Etsy logged in on the same browser, you'll see an allow access option. Just click on allow access. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.